Hi, welcome back. Today I'd like to show you how to set up recurring invoices in Sage 300. This is a real time saver if you have contracts or rentals or things like that that are processed every month or every week at the same time. Once you get them set up, you just run the schedule and all of the invoices are created, ready for you to print, email, and post. Let me show you how that works. You set up the recurring charges in the customer area. So let's have a look. AR customers, recurring charges. Now it opens up with a screen that asks you for a recurring charge code. That's quite simple. You make that code up. Let's see what's already there. There's 2 rentals and 3 rentals and 2 on call. So let's create another one. I'm going to use the same code. It makes it easier when you're posting. Let's pick a customer number. I'm just going to go down the list and pick one. Let's set it to monthly. And let's set the start date as March 1st. That way you'll be able to see some invoices created. The expiration date will be a year from now. So we'll set that up as this is an American customer. That's why the could have been a Canadian customer. This is a multi-currency data set. Let's go into detail and code that to miscellaneous charges. So 8 hours, one at $500 is the prepaid code, and we'll add that. I could have entered a monthly maintenance fee. A description there makes it a lot easier when you're searching the list. And that's all there is to it. To run them is just as easy. Once you get them all in, all you have to do is go into the periodic processing section of Sage 300 customers over here and create the recurring charges batch. Let's have a look. Let's run this as of this date, and we'll put in the code on call because that's what we set it up. We can create a new batch or add to an existing batch. The default will be to add to an existing batch if I have any for that month. Okay, let's process. 3 invoices are created. Close out. Let's have a look and see what it created. Let's have a look in this batch. There's a batch created for May 25th. Let's open that up. There's 18 items in the batch. Some of them may have been run earlier for the same date. There is the first one for that customer we set up, and there you see it. $500, and it is dated March 1st. And there's 3 more, one for each month. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.